All morning long so far on this alert day, we've been keeping an eye to radar because we are looking to see when that snow will start to transition and move into our areas, but also the travel impacts that you can expect if you're going to be out later on this evening or even into your Thursday, because Thursday also going to be an alert day. So that means we need to check in right now and see how we are looking on our radar. I'm going to bring in meteorologist Ryan Weekman. He has a look at where we have the snow and where we're waiting for that. Ryan?
Yeah, Diane, our entire WTOL 11 weather team working hard today to get the absolute latest of this. So let's dive into this one here. What's going on radar? Obviously still a lot of green on the map, and I know what you're saying out there, especially if you're not where the snow's coming down out into Fulton, Williams, and southeastern Michigan. You're saying, well, where's this snowstorm, huh? We hear you. All right. This is a very slow moving front. We mentioned it this morning that this was going to move mile by mile today. And that's exactly what we've seen so far. Still rain down in Findlay and Tiffin, and you're going to stay that way all afternoon long. Pretty good snow still coming down in Adrian. I'll tell you what, as that sun angle goes down, when you get to 3, 4, 5 o'clock, you're really going to see the snow piling up here. Brian, you're still reporting snow. Defiance still at rainfall, but right in between, we've had a little bit of a mixture reported as well. And that rain snow line is right along the Maumee River. We're getting a rain snow mix in Fort Wayne, Defiance. Here in Toledo, we've had reports of a few sleet pellets and rain showers kind of mixing together. So we're right on that line, but probably still a few hours before things really switch over and you start to see the snow really beginning to pile up. So this is the very latest right now. Again, most areas still dealing with rainfall, snowfall as you head west and north of Toledo. So Diane, as we've been watching this storm over the last couple of days, we knew how critical that rain snow line was for today's forecast. Probably going to have to make a few adjustments in exactly how much snow we're expecting.
That's right, because as that cold front comes in, it's going to allow that transition very quickly. But you can see we have to wait. I hope you have enough patience, Ryan, for today.
I just want some snow.
Don't we all? I know we've been so excited for the snow, and once we can get that front to come through, we will have it. Let's take a look at those current temperatures, because you will find locations where we do have that snowfall. Lenawee County, Fulton County, Williams County, we're sitting right at that 32-degree mark, but it isn't very far, and then we are above freezing, and we even have Findlay right now checking in at 42 degrees, so we have temperatures that are not quite allowing that snow switch over just yet, but we are going to be seeing that switch over, especially in our southern counties, to come right around sunset tonight when we lose that little bit of a sun angle hiding behind those clouds. So the snow, it is going to win out, take over. Our temperatures, those are going to drop as we head through the night, and then we will all be switching over to that snowfall. We will actually see a little bit of a lull, but many of us are going to be asleep. So by the time you wake up Thursday morning, you are going to notice that we still have that lighter snow coming down, and it's going to be steady then for the rest of our Thursday. We really won't see this system move on out until as early as the evening commute, but mainly going to be after dinner, maybe right before bed is when you're finally going to see that snowfall exit our area, and then we can get the shovels and snow blowers out. This is what we're looking at as far as those snow totals just for your Wednesday. You can see as that front is stalling out, we are going to trim back some of those numbers throughout southeast Michigan to where we are also in the Toledo area going to be waiting for that snowfall to move in this afternoon, and then those numbers continue to drop as we head off towards our south and east. We're going to have to wait till Thursday in locations like Wyandotte County for that snowfall. But here's that latest look at what we're expecting. Of course, with us transitioning to snow throughout southeast Michigan, we're going to keep those numbers around 10 to 14 inches of expected snowfall from Wednesday into Thursday evening when the whole storm is done. Now, we did push a little more of that blue color up to add that range of 6 to 12 inches to be possible. And this is all because that front, it's so slow. So we all have to have patience for the snow. And because we have to wait, our snow totals, well, they're just going to suffer a little bit for us. Now, as far as your alert day, we're still anticipating those travel impacts. So roads, those will become snow covered as we head into this evening. And the tricky travel will even continue on into your Thursday. And now your Friday, we had a whole nother layer. We'll have blowing and drifting snow. So plan on that light, fluffy snow to really make an impact. Now, we will have those alert days for today and still into tomorrow. But if you need to catch your breath after all of this active weather, well, you are going to find that it's mainly quiet. We'll have a couple of snow showers as we head into next Wednesday and Thursday, but the weekend, that's going to be nice to allow us to have that blowing and drifting snow get cleaned up out of the driveway. However, bundle up when you are outside. Temperatures on Friday going to be at 16 degrees and then -3 for your low as we kick off the weekend Saturday morning. Temperatures, those still struggle to reach that freezing point. So we'll be back into that cold that we finished out January. The snow, however, that's going to lower things down for us as we get settled into that first full week of February.